We all have our own journey ahead of us.
Stay.
Our own hopes and dreams.
We are so sorry.
And along the way,
We hope you'll have us over again.
we'll pass many milestones, each one more inspiring than the last.
He's in training.
These are the moments that define you.
If I weren't earning 2% cash back right now, you'd be in so much trouble.
These are the moments that drive you to achieve even more,
Are you serious?
to reach even higher,
Again, my apologies.
then do it all over again.
Got myself a pair too.
Take a moment of reflection and celebrate every single one.
The new Wells Fargo Active Cash Visa Card. That's real life ready.
And cut on rehearsal.